Hello guys, this is Rudra and you can see this video of my channel Self Obsession, right? So good afternoon, and today is Vishwakarma Puja, so happy Vishwakarma Puja to all of you, to all engineers. It's the god of engineering, the Lord Vishwakarma. Okay, so anyway, today is the day of very excitement because today I got my welcome kit from the Infosys. Today I got the package from the DTDC. Yesterday they about to deliver it, but yesterday I was not available in my room. That's the reason they deliver it by today. Okay, so after so long time, like recently I have joined Infosys. So after after 4 or 5 days, they have sent me this welcome kit. So I don't know what exactly in that kit. That must be a laptop, but I heard some they are giving some welcome kits like the water bottles and some notebooks, pen, but I don't know what exactly they put in the box right now. So must be there will be a laptop and a charger and mouse, definitely yes. And which laptop I don't know. You just guess in the comment section. So let me guess. There is three types of chances there might be. One is HP laptop, one is Dell, and one is Lenovo ThinkPad. So I love the HP, that metallic body laptop. That should be my wish. But my guess they deliver the Dell laptop. I don't know because of my last previous organization. I have the Dell laptop. The laptop is very good, but the body is like little it's a plastic body, so I did not like it. But because HP is completely silver color and metallic, that looks so premium, and I hope that HP laptop they must be providing. So I don't know. Okay, okay. So let's open it. Okay, it's quite excitement. Yes, you can see this is the box I got from the Infosys. You can see there is an Infosys written over there, and opposite side there is address and all those things has been written. Okay, let me just. Okay, so I got the knife. This is the box. So I need to open it. So let's do it. Let's try from this side. Okay. 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 Yeah. So I just open this box and let me check what are the stops inside it. Okay, just a second. Yeah, I just open this box. You can see I just open this box and let me check what inside. Okay, there is a bag, there is a mouse of the HP. Okay, might be my guess is correct. So it's HP laptop. Sorry, my whiz is correct, guess is wrong. So guess was Dell laptop, whiz was HP laptop. So let's see what it is. Okay, see this bag. It's quite good, quite nice. It looks so premium as well. The build quality and the bag looks so premium as well. Okay, let's open the bag and open the laptop. They got the charger and mouse. Let's keep this aside and right now open the main things, the laptop. So yes, wow, this is HP metallic silver. That exactly what I wish. Wow, nice, very small I think 14 inch, yeah, 13.5 inch. It looks very premium. Let's see, let's keep this aside and let's see what are else in the box and bag. Charger, sorry, mouse and charger. It's wired mouse. They should have given the wireless because it's era of wireless, and why they are. Laptop I got, see, this is the HP laptop. This is HP ProBooks and Intel i5. It looks so premium. As you can see, it looks so premium and completely metallic body. I think it's 14 inch. Let's open it and let's see what exactly the configuration has been they have been provided. So yeah, let's just on it right now. Okay, yes, Infosys. They're just asking me the BitLocker pin number. I have to provide it. Okay, anyway, so I have completed with unboxing, so you can see the laptops. Looks very premium, and apart from laptop they have not sent anything, so only laptops. And welcome kits, like, you know, they used to provide something, water bottle, notebooks, pen, some. That box has not come yet. Maybe they will provide later, so I don't know it will come or not. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a good day. And if you like it, so please subscribe the channel. Just a request. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel so that you can see more videos on it. Thank you, have a good day.